box. No, this is R.A.R music, and you know that I love reviewing, unboxing, and reviewing many products. And today I just bought a new laptop, so it's still unsealed. If I show the laptop, my face will be just covered, and as you can see before, it's still sealed from the packaging. So the packaging before was using the wood packaging that I just opened before, and then they use bubble wrap again and also plastic inside it. So I buy this by online shop, so maybe that's the protective kind of way to send something expensive as this. So you will see what I bought here. So this is a laptop more than 10 million rupiah. If we convert it to the US, maybe it's about 100 not 100, it's about $1,000. So let's fast forward this part of the video, because you know I always using scissor to cut many packaging. So the first part of the seal already uncovered, and there are still a bubble wrap again inside. So let's fast forward it again to open this part. Okay, the packaging is already unsealed, and here we go. So the first thing that I got is this thing. So as you know, this is the laptop bag. So I buy the 14 inches, is the official bag from HP. As you can see it here, it has the logo on it. And also we just receive other things, which is the screen cleaning kit. How to show it? These are the screen cleaning kit, and it is used to cleaning your keyboards or the screen or the body of the laptop itself. And let's see what's inside. So in the cleaning kit we got the, I don't know what is this, but this is the spray, and also we got brush to clean your keyboard, and also we got the wipes to wiping the screen or any surface on the laptop. So let's put it back to the box again and use it for later. And we also got here the microphone, USB optical mouse. So this is the cable one with high precision. Yep, I don't know what is the brand here, Mikuso. So you will see here. Sorry for the screechy sound. So it is the wired mouse, and this is just a bonus, you know. It's not a part of the usual packaging of the laptop itself. It's usually sell on as the laptop by itself, but the store that I bought by via online shop is actually sending other items with it. And this is the box of the laptop itself. So I don't know what this meaning is. So it is maybe the battery is the flammable, I don't know, that makes like that. So this is the part 3 of the unboxing, the plastic, and no, it is a part 4. So I don't take the process when I unboxing the wood packaging. So the wood packaging, and then plastic, and then bubble wrap, and then this box. So let's see what's inside. So I already opened the wood. I mean the box. So it has this, the cable for charging. So this made in China. It comes with the adapter here because the socket is not a standard socket that you could use in any universal socket, so you need an adapter here. And then it also came in this part, the capacitor, or the one that actually charge the device that charging into your laptop itself. I don't know what it's called, but this is 45 watts, so the input and output, or I mean the adapter. I forget the name of it. So I got the adapter, and this is the port to charging the laptop. And let's see what's inside. So sorry, so this is the what you call it, the so this is the, I don't know what it's called in English. We call it quitancy. It's like that. It's the transaction kind of pages. I don't know what it's called, why I forget, sorry for my English before. Then I got here the HP laptop with the foam as the protector from the side. It actually feels lighter than I expected. So let's open the foam here. So these are the new laptop that I got. I'm sorry, it's in the reverse. So I got this one, the HP Pavilion x360. So it's actually the touchscreen kind of laptop. Okay, so you see in this part there are a part where you can't remove the sticker. So if you remove the sticker, the warranty will be void. And you see on this side there are a USB-C port, and also the 3.5 millimeters jack to put the headphone, usually the headphone or microphone, some microphone, but I hate microphone to use the 3.5 millimeters jacks. So it has this kind of what mechanism, because it's 36 degree. You can flip it 36 degree, and then so it has the unique part in this place. You can make it flat, you can rotate it in 180, in 90, a normal way to use laptop, and also the 360 if you use it as a tablet. I don't know what you could call it. And also in this part there are the indicator of the battery and also the SD card reader, but you need an adapter to your micro SD to be read by the laptop. And also it has the USB-A, the USB-A 3.0, I think this is a kind of port, the HDMI, and the charging port, and also the indicators again here. So it actually feel lighter than I expected here. I choose the silver one. The currently used in the my laptop is in red, if I'm not mistaken, but it still has the same brand. It's HP. Maybe I'll tell you later why I buy this laptop, because this is the unboxing video. I don't want to make it too long to you. So that's it. That's the unboxing and review of the HP Pavilion 40 HP Pavilion X360 14-inch version with the Core i7 Intel processor and also 16 GB of RAM and the Intel Ultra Graphic HD by Intel. So that's the VRAM or the VGA RAM. And also forget about that. So that's it. That's the info that I could give it to you. So I just decided that I will make a review video of all of this equipment after I use it. And that's all from me. Thanks for watching and see you next time.